Welcome to Business Central video series. This is Michael Pito from Vistas Cloud. Edit in Excel action allows you to change records in Excel and publish the changes back to Business Central. To add new vendor record, search for vendors in the Tell Me window and select the related link. Select Edit in Excel. When Excel opens, you will see the Excel add-in pane on the right. You need to provide your sign-in details. Currently, I am already signed in. Insert new line in between. As an example, we will copy one of the records, then change some values. Leave last date modified empty and set 0 to all amounts. Make sure that the new line record is within the table by clicking the design on the right pane. Click Publish from the add-in pane. Press F5 to refresh the page in your Business Central.